Effective communication. This is Max Rydholm with the Max's Mental Minute Podcast, and today we're talking about tips and tricks for effective communication. Good communication is key to your personal and professional success going forward. So here are 3 quick tips that you can use to help communicate more effectively. Tip number 1, active listening. Pay full attention to the speaker, show that you are listening through nodding your head, verbal affirmations, and avoid interrupting the things they have to say. This shows respect and helps you to understand the other person's perspective better. Number 2, clear and concise messaging. Keep your messages clear and to the point. Avoid using overly complex sentences and just ensure that you're being straightforward with whatever you're trying to say. This ensures that your message is easily understood by your audience. And number 3, nonverbal cues. Be mindful of your body language, your facial expressions, and the tone in your voice. Nonverbal cues such as those can significantly impact how your message is received. Try to maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and ensure that your tone matches your words. Apply these tips and tricks to enhance your communication skills and build stronger connections in any field that you're pursuing. Execute today. Thank you for checking out Max's Mental Minute. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a rating or review. Let's close the gap. Day 1, every day.